Welcome to Mindfully Integrative Podcast with your host, Dr. Damaris G. Mindfully Integrative is a podcast discussing ways toward mindfully incorporating integrative health into our lives. This podcast will have informative resources, fun topics, interviews, and discussions relatable for today with a true mindful perspective in a mind-body, holistic life approach.
So, hi, how are you? This is Dr. Damaris Maria Grossman, and this is the Mindfully Integrative Show. And let me just say that, we're in month of May, if you're new listening, and I just wanted to let you know that this year, as from the Academy of Integrative Health and Medicine, that this year is the year of integrative health. And I'm obviously so very passionate about it. And this year, it's really about trying to implement this in many aspects and parts of the country, in hospitals, out in the clinics, out in different areas. And I'm here as one of the advocates in the healthcare field and how it can be promoted and grow for many individuals, and just kind of being a way and an outlet to help you find mindful ways each and every day using an integrative health approach, maybe that you've never even realized was available, and trying to do it safely, trying to give you the resources that have some evidence base, but also benefits versus harm, and always just kind of being an advocate for you, because you are the one that needs to empower yourself to do better and have better health for your life. And I'm kind of one of those people to be that resource. So I'm quite excited that this year is the year of integrative health for others and for many. So as a provider and an individual that has done her work in integrative health and doctoral work, so I'm use it on a daily. And now I really am so, shall I say, not just passionate, but believe that each one of us could use a little bit of information. And so I'm going to, first say, reach out to the AHIM.org. So that's a nonprofit organization called the Academy of Integrative Health and Medicine. And, those are resources that you can get. And then the NIH Institute. So for today, because the reason why integrative approaches are so important is because, they're complementing things in our healthcare system that may kind of be broken or may just be always working on a system approach. And sometimes it's just not where it kind of is a little broken. And I say that not in a negative, but in a way of, we need to forward think about what our patients and what our clients and us as individuals need. As I've said before, and I usually say, I tell people the mindful way each and every day is that because there's not a single pill or single cream or single thing that will help with one ailment, and that there's many other aspects to our health and wellness, as some will say, to get to an all-encompassing holistic thinking. And so there's many different treatments, and on this, podcasts, I'll have interviews, as you've heard, and more topics and courses and things to, get those to be part of and understand, and many resources for you, and really be immersed in that in as much as you can in that information, and to maybe put one practice. And, talking every week on some sort of topic or resource. And in my Mindfully Integrative group and community, we have a membership group starting the end of the month too, that will have more individuals and families and parents that might have questions, that might want to, learn about different topics. So a lot of hormonal imbalances, gut health, nutrition, supplements, vitamins, those kind of things, and many others. So I just wanted to kind of just hop in and just be quite excited, even though it's like mid-year, I still kind of shout out to the integrative community, health community, and say, hey, this is really a change and a pivotal moment for the healthcare. In people are wanting more, and they need more information and change. And I love that I can be a part of that for others in any way possible, even if it's just one little mindful tip for the day. I know that it's helped me through the years. I would not be nearly as well and managed if I did not look and seek other options in addition to just a medication or a cream of sorts. So it's an ongoing thing for me, and as I say, work in progress. And that is kind of the continuum. It is a work in progress as years go on for each person, and understanding that is part of the equation. Integrative health and alternative health and functional medicine, they're not easy. Okay, so when you come on to these listening to these interviews and conversations about these resources, understand that they're not a quick fix. So if that's what you are looking for, this may not be the podcast for you. This may not be the resources for you, and that's okay. But I'm here to help those individuals that want to kind of put in the work and the time and really look within and see what that is for them. So I really appreciate a few minutes of your time today, and thanks so much. And I can't wait for you guys to join in. I'll have some resources of our upcoming community opening up at the end of the month, and great to connect anytime. Email me. I'd be glad to chat with you. Talk with you soon, and have a great day. Bye.
Thank you for listening to the Mindfully Integrative Show with Dr. Damaris Maria Grossman, family nurse practitioner. This podcast is for informational and educational purposes only and is not the substitute for professional medical advice, diagnose, or treat. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your healthcare routine. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an episode. If you enjoyed our show, please support us by leaving a mindful review on Apple Podcast or your favorite streaming platform. Interested in being a guest or more information? Email us at info@mindfullyintegrative.com. For resources mentioned in the show, visit our website at www.mindfullyintegrative.com. You can also connect mindfully with Dr. Damaris on her social media links found on the site. May your strength and peace guide you to find a mindful way every day. Namaste.